Hello everyone, so today is going to be a quick one. Okay, I'm using a 12 mm over here to make my mat, and a lot of people are asking how to add a new line to the project. Okay, or how about if your line is short, how do you add more lines? Okay, so I'm going to use this time to explain to you and show you how you can add more line or more thread to your bead weaving project. Okay, so just give me 3 minutes of your time and you will clearly understand how to add a new thread to your bead weaving project. So supposing you are using your long thread weaving and it's going to come to an end, like what I'm doing over here. Now I'm weaving, I'm going to complete this row and turn again. So as you can see here, my line is getting shorter and I'll be needing a new line to continue my weaving. Okay, so I'm going to stop in this bead. Okay, this is where my line ends. You see, I left like 4 to 5 inches long. Okay, like this, 4 to 5 inches long. This is what I leave. And as you can see, this is the last bead that I crisscross my line into, like this. Okay, this is how the line is in this bead. This is the last bead that I crisscross my line into. All right, this one. So now what I'm doing here is I'm weaving the rest of the line back into the bead. Okay, I'm weaving a hole, this one, weave it back into the bead. Put the lines very tight to make sure it's well secured in the bead before you trim it off. Okay, so just continue to weave. Okay, weave all the line back into the bead. Make sure you're pulling it tight and hide it. Okay, and secure the line into the bead. Now you can trim the rest of the line off like this. So now this is where we stop. This is the bead that we stopped in. Okay, so anywhere your line stops, just do the same that I did over here. Okay, now I'm cutting a new line. All right, cut a new line and I'm going to gently slide the line in the same bead. Okay, this is where we stop. The same bead that we stop in, I slide the line through that bead and I'm going to continue my weaving. Okay, I put the right line into the next bead, then I add 2 beads to the left line. Okay, then you cross and pull, and then you continue your weaving to the direction that you're weaving on. This is simple and easy. Anybody can add any thread, new thread, to your bead weaving project. In case your thread is finished as you're weaving, you can easily add it, and this is how it looks like. So this is how we add new thread to our bead weaving project. I hope this tutorial helps you to know how to add new line to your work, or when the thread is short, how to add a long one to your bead weaving project. I thank you for watching. I thank you for your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.